Turn off the stove, why? I'm telling them that so they don't come over here. Of course I'm gonna be doing this. Okay, when it dries up, I'm going to... Okay. Okay, this is the pot where I'm cooking curry chicken. When it dries up, Mommy said I have to put oil in it. Like a spoonful. Like a spoonful of oil. Like the spoon I was using to stir the curry. That spoon. Well, it's not dry yet. I'll show you. Okay, it's been in the freezer for a while, so it's kind of, you know. Okay, once that is dry, I'm putting the potatoes in as soon as I peel it, which I haven't done yet. So let me get on that. So I'm cutting up. I'm cutting this potato. Oops, that's the sharp part. Mommy does it face me all the time. Okay, now it's hot, so I'm gonna put this much oil. Okay, so that much oil. I'm gonna let it heat up a bit because I'm still cutting potatoes. This is awesome! Okay. Get all the goodness out because it smells great. Rinse out. That's it. Definitely this whole pot is making this whole thing of chicken. Alright, let me get a little clothy cloth. Oh, hot mess. Whatever, haters. so fine. Whoa. Okay, she just sharpened this knife and it's cutting as if it's having sharp mirrors. Oh my gosh, it's like a freaking butter knife. Still chopping potatoes. La-di-da-di-do-di-do. Okay. Ooh. Love potatoes. That's not hot at all. Okay. Now this chicken is cooking a little bit differently because it was killed this morning. So it needs to be really high to cook. Chicken at home has been pumped with hormones and chemicals and been sitting there for months. So it's a nice change, you know, the organic stuff. You go to the farm, they chop it up right in front of you, which I didn't watch, by the way, because I could not eat this chicken if I watched it get killed. So that was all, you know. Please. Now for a bit of cleanup time. Ooh, 10 minutes, okay.